Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Prestige Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace these hoses that you see right here. These hoses are located on the thermoblock, one that is right here. You can still kind of see the hoses from this side. In order for us to replace them, we have to disassemble the entire machine and take the entire thing out and then work on it and then put it back together. So yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna be using a bit of hot water and that's it. We already tested this machine quite a lot, run a bunch of water through it and run a bunch of coffee to make sure there are not any leaks or additional leaks in the machine. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color as well. And perfect quantity. Now we're going to be testing the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent flow. Working great. So there you have it, Gaggia Prestige, no leaking and with new hoses inside the Thermoblock. Thank you so much for repairing coffee and thanks so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.